Friends, have you ever seen a motorcycle like this? In this man's house, there is a bike that looks exactly like a human being because it is a human being. Just place his legs on the back wheel, have his hands grip the front wheel, and he's ready to roll. But here is the strangest part. The bike only starts when you stick a key into his ear. One day, the lady of the house needed to go shopping. The son asks his own father to become the bike. The poor father can't say no and gets into position. The son puts on his helmet, climbs on top, and turns the key, but the bike won't start. He tries over and over, but the engine keeps failing. Then, suddenly yellow smoke starts billowing out of the silencer. The father's pants turn yellow, and a foul smell spreads across the entire neighborhood. So, friends, can you guess what this advertisement is actually for?